This is your how-to video to move content from Onedrive to OneDrive. And remember that OneDrive is now your new personal drive found in Office 365 and which you can access within the Citrix gateway, the corporate one, the education gateway, or on the World Wide Web. This means that you can access your content from anywhere as long as you can access the internet. It's also going to be the quickest way to move content from your old H drive, O drive, S drive into your new OneDrive. So to start off, what we need to do is access the Citrix corporate gateway. So we go to Macro Quick Links, we choose Macro Gateway, and it will open up where you have to put in your username and password, which is your .org.uk username and password. Once you've done that, it comes up with this screen, the Macro desktop. I'm going to click on there, and it will open up the gateway and allow you to access one space, your H drive, your OneDrive, your O drive, etc. What we're going to do now, however, is open up the OneDrive within the Citrix corporate gateway. Okay, and how we do that is to go to the Start icon at the bottom left hand of the screen. We're searching for the Chrome browser, so we click onto All Programs and we choose Google Chrome. And what it does, it opens up a brand new tab welcoming you to Chrome. We ignore that and we type in login Office 365 and it will appear down here. Of course, everybody now should have their ac.uk account details, so everybody should be able to log into Office 365. I'm going to click on this link here, and it brings us to the Welcome to the Office sign-in page. So we sign in, and we type in our email address. And remember, this is your ac.uk account. Now, going to type in my password. At this point, it's asking me if I would like to save my password onto Google Chrome. Because this device I'm using is not my device and it could be used by somebody else, I'm going to click on Never. And also stay signed in, I'm going to click on No. But it does take me to my Office 365 account. And remember, I'm in the corporate gateway too. So what I'm going to do now is click onto OneDrive. And this opens up the folders and files I've already got in my OneDrive space. OneDrive is about a terabyte of storage space you've got, so don't worry about moving content across from H drive. It will easily move across or be copied across. This is how you move the information, the content from H drive to OneDrive. You click onto Upload. We click onto Folder. Going to ignore that message. I click onto Computer and we can see the various drives available to me. Going to click onto H drive and notice that I haven't got many folders in there. You will, of course, built up over time. I click onto Desktop in this instance, and I'm going to choose a folder to move across. I think I'll click on NACO Education. There we go. And then I'm going to click on OK. And we can see here it's uploading the items from H Drive to OneDrive, and it appears here. And it's as simple as that. That's exactly what you do for all the other folders. And of course, once you've moved everything across, you should go through every folder and then delete anything that you don't want. Let's just say I don't want this PowerPoint Phase 1 overview. I just move to the left. I click on this little icon there. Tick appears, and notice that we've got three little buttons down here, three little dots which says Show Actions. I click on there, and I click on Delete. Do I want to delete this? Yes. And it's gone. That's how you remove things and edit your folders now within OneDrive. That's it. It's exactly the same process, by the way, when you want to move content from H Drive, O Drive, N Drive to NTeach or NLearn. It's exactly the same way. I will do, however, another how-to video on this topic.